Specially hardened stud bolts are assembled to the racing engine. Mandatory cleaning of the bolts. Loctite 270 has a crucial role to fulfill, locking this threaded assembly with high strength and 100% reliability. The 4 stud bolts connect the engine block to the race car's gearbox. Numerous tests convinced the Porsche engineers that there is no better way to secure this highly stressed and extremely critical assembly. The wheel hub carrier is fitted with 5 driving pins. Again, Loctite 270 is a vital component in the assembly. A peristaltic hand pump is used for precise application. The 5 driving pins will later ensure all the transmission of power from the drive shaft to the wheel and on the road. A masterpiece of technology, secured for a lifetime of racing with Loctite 270.